Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to make semolina soup, which is popularly known as Ganji. And for this we need all these ingredients. 100 grams of soji, we need to roast this, and 1 small onion, around 30 grams of onion chopped, 2 split green chilli, 1 tablespoon of ginger chopped, and cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom, and 1 cinnamon stick, 1 inch. And this is 1 pinch of garam masala powder, and we need 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half lemon, mint leaves handful, coriander leaves. These are crispy crackers made of gram flour. Now the pan is heated. I am going to fry semolina. Heat is on medium to low flame. We need to dry roast it for 5 minutes until it changes its color into light brown. It's been around 3 minutes and it's almost done. Now I'm going to heat this small pot to make semolina soup. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I am adding cumin seeds and whole garam masalas. Chopped ginger. I am adding onion, chopped onion, along with 2 green chilies. They need to get cooked 50%. Then we are going to add our powders, spices powder. Now I am going to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, and coriander powder. And 1 pinch of garam masala. Lower the flame and saute it for a minute. Then I am adding mint leaves, coriander leaves. I left a few for garnish. Now we are going to add 500 ml of water in it. Total I have added 1000 ml of water for 100 grams of soji, semolina. Now the water needs to get boiled. Then we are going to add semolina. Water is boiled. I am adding 3 dry curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Now I am going to add semolina. Flame is on medium. Make sure there isn't any lumps. Now let it boil for 5 to 8 minutes. Then our soup is ready. It's been around 4 minutes, it's boiling, and